Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we'll be drawing green eggs and ham from the book from Dr Seuss. One of my favourites when I was growing up, and one of your favourites as well.
And I can read it. Yeah,
it's really good, and it's a really funny book. A lot of rhyming words and tongue twisters, and a very crazy story about green eggs and ham. So that's what we're going to be drawing today. Hope you follow along and with us and have lots of fun.
By Dr Seuss.
Yeah, by Dr Seuss. All right, let's get drawing. Alrighty, so we've got our paper and we've got our markers. So let's start drawing. I think we'll start drawing with the ham. Now, the Dr Seuss style of art is kind of really interesting. There's lots of lines and funny shapes and shading, so we're going to try and do that. So let's start drawing the ham first. So we're going to draw the front bit of the ham, and it's a bit of a oh, it looks like a jelly bean. It's kind of a funny shape, like this, kind of like that. Yeah, exactly like that. And then in the middle, because this is the end of the ham, it's like a leg of ham. There's another circle here, which is actually the bone inside the ham.
Like from a chicken.
Yeah, well, yeah, animals have bones. And we can add some other details in here. There's like, it's got all these little funny lines in here as well, like that. Yeah, and we can make this line a little bit thicker as well.
I don't really want it to.
Well, you can draw it any way you like. Alright, so let's draw the rest of the ham. So up the top here, there's another big curve going down like this. Yeah. And then underneath we do a similar curve, like that. Yeah, very good. And then the last little bit of the ham sticks out here at the end, a bit of a rounded shape like that. So that's the piece of ham. And there's some other details in here. There's a few other lines that we can add. Dr Seuss sort of drawing style, he uses lots of these sort of shapes to add shading and interesting things to the drawing. Kind of like that. And sometimes the lines, it can be quite thick as well, so you can really go crazy with it. Alright, so that's looking good. Now in the ham, if you remember in the storybook, there is a funny fork sticking out of it. It's kind of a bit of a...
Wonky.
It's wonky, that's right.
Crooked.
Yeah, so we're going to draw the fork, or the prongs sticking into the ham. So it's basically... What we do is we'll do a curved shape like this, so it's a bit of a U.
Or M.
Yeah, and then there's a line going down the middle, so it does look like an M, yeah. So it's sticking in there. And then the handle is a little bit wonky, so it's got a funny shape like that. And then it's got the handle there as well.
It looks like what squirrels eat, like nuts.
Yeah.
Nut thingies.
Yeah, that's right. So it's got a funny handle like that. And again, can add some details and some curves in there because it looks like it's like a wooden handle. Now these lines here, especially around the bottom here, you can make these a little bit thicker, just like that.
To make it look like it has a shadow.
Yeah, that's right. Right, so that's the ham. Now next part is, of course, it's green eggs and ham. We need to draw some eggs.
Green eggs.
Yeah, green eggs. Well, we'll colour those in later, but we're going to draw the eggs. So we're going to draw 2 eggs next to the ham, because we're going to draw a plate on there as well, so we'll do that last. But with the eggs, we will draw a bit of an oval shape here like this.
Like a finger. It's like almost the size of my finger, but it's a tiny bit bigger. Yeah,
that's right. So this is the yolk, which will be green, and then we'll draw the rest of the egg.
A wiggly back.
So it looks like a fried egg like that. You can make it a little wiggly. Oh, that's looking really good. And then we'll draw another one here as well, just in front of the ham. Alright, so we draw the yolk, and then we draw the egg like that. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to thicken the lines a little bit. Alright, so that's looking really good. Now the next part we will draw is
the plate.
Yeah, that's right. It's all on a plate. It's not lying on the floor, so it's on a plate.
Otherwise, if you just hold it in your hand and you drop it on the floor, you kind of get off the floor.
And it might be hot as well. You don't want to hold it in your hand. All right, so we're going to draw a really big oval that will sit behind this food, so it looks like it's on the plate. Just like that. Very good. Okay, now the plate is a little bit thick as well, so it's got a bit of an edge running around it. So what we do is on both of these sides, we draw a little line going down about that much. Yeah, very good. And then we draw another curved line which is parallel to this one all the way around to the other side.
Kind of looks like some real food. I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, well, we should try and see if we can make green eggs in here.
You just put green food colouring.
I think so. I wonder what it would taste like.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the plate. Now, I'm going to add, because Dr Seuss normally adds some shading. He uses a black marker a lot, just like we do, but you don't have to do this, but...
to make it a lot more shady.
Yeah, so he's got some lines along here, just to add a bit of depth to it. Okay. How are you going? That looks looking good. Alright, so next part now is to colour in. And we're back. So finished colouring in. I think they look really great. The good thing about drawing green eggs in hand, you only really need one colour, just green, to finish it. So that's easy, but if you want to, you
can use brown and some light grey and some also dark grey.
That's right, yes. We've added some other colour in the handle and some grey in the plate. So, it doesn't have to be green. You can make whatever colour you want. Maybe it's...
yellow, blue, purple.
That's right. So you happy with your drawing?
Yeah!
Okay, that's great. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Have a look at our channel. We've got some other Dr Seuss drawings as well for you to enjoy. But again, thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye!